El Salvadorian snacks. Tasty
Or nasty.
Tasty family.
Hi, I'm Julie. I'm Libby.
I'm James.
Apparently we're changing the format today.
We do that a lot.
I'm going to show off my machete that I got in El Salvador.
She brought home a machete.
Look at that. It's just a souvenir. It's not actually sharp. Don't mess with it.
It's blunt and that's worse.
So, it's pretty cool. Not gonna lie.
I don't know why she got it. I don't know that I approve, but it got through customs, so here it is.
It's a gardening tool. So today we have El Salvadorian snacks I found at a vending machine. So this is what they normally eat when they go to a vending machine. I did a rough translation of these. I'm not sure how exact they are, but this one I'm pretty sure says peanut Japanese.
Say it en español.
Mani japonés, I think. I don't know for sure. And then it says baked peanut flavor with soy sauce.
My favorite flavor of Japanese is...
This is corn chips. That doesn't translate to anything. And then it says chips with corn and barbecue, with corn chips with barbecue and chili flavor. And this one...
Elotitos!
It says fried corn sauce. Flavor with salsa.
Elotitos!
With sauce. And then cheese and chili hot spicy.
Oh yeah.
Picante means hot spicy. So,
Picante!
let's get into these. Which one first?
Alright, do that one first.
Yeah, we'll start with
Why
the
not?
big one. This is the corn chips.
Corn chips. Well, there's no N.
Chipos de
They're
corno.
supposed-
That's Spanish.
They look Spanish.
They smell like, I don't know. I've had
Oh, these
They
smell...
smell like corn nuts.
But like those chips in the
Yeah,
the,
like those other
yeah,
chips.
in the
These
bits
smell
and
like
bits.
those other chips.
Well,
You got these in a vending machine. How much did they cost?
25 cents.
Sweet.
No, they're actually not sweet. They're pretty kind of
bland.
spicy. I mean, they're bland at first, but then like at
Oh,
the end,
now
it's like,
there's the spice.
oh, it's not that bad. It's just a tiny little cake.
Libby's kind of a wuss.
I love these. I'm gonna eat the
She
whole bag.
refused to do the ghost peppers with this.
So it starts off bland and very corny tasting, and then afterwards you get the spice. Okay.
Okay,
eat
can
the
we
whole bag.
do that one?
The peanut Japanese or
the-
Japanese peanut.
I want to say it en español. Let me read it again.
Mani japonés.
Mani japonés.
I'm pretty sure. I don't know for sure.
Mani japonés.
Correct us if we're wrong if you know Spanish. If you don't correct us.
I don't think they could if they don't. These look like tiny potatoes.
Or turds.
No.
No, they actually look like little
They do.
potatoes.
Look at them.
What?
See it?
You need more fiber
it?
if this is what your turds look like.
So this is corn. I don't know what it is actually.
Wow,
Peanut. Oh, it's a peanut.
that
I
like
dropped it.
shatters.
Oh, it does.
It's a
Peanuts
peanut.
like they normally just kind of crunch and then
Oh, it's
turn
kinda
into
nice,
paste.
I like
It's very, very good, very
It becomes
flavorful.
peanut butter in your mouth.
But
Kinda.
it's been so severely roasted, in a good way, that it shatters. Like imagine you're biting down on a glass, on a marble.
No.
This is what that's like, except no bleeding.
And no,
good.
because have you ever tried biting down on a marble? Those things are rock hard.
Well,
Hey,
I got a
that's
strong
what
jaw. What can I say?
stop eating them all. I bought
I like
these.
them.
You spent all your money on pop. I bought these.
You didn't spend any money on pop?
I didn't spend all my money on
Okay,
Oh.
and machetes.
these are the elotitos.
Elotitos, elotitos, elotitos.
What are you doing?
Okay, they're
It's
orange.
Like, it's corn.
They're
it's
little
dried
corn
corn.
nuts. They're little corn nuts and they're orange. Orange nuts.
It's not spicy.
I imagine they will be spicy.
Mhm.
All right,
Oh,
Crunchy.
very crunchy.
digging it.
This is crunchy like the leftover bits of onion ring in the bottom of the bag.
No, this is crunchy like you were eating popcorn as a kernel.
Yeah,
Essentially, it is popcorn kernels. The spice
Exactly.
comes after, like.
it
the
is corn,
chips.
isn't it?
Yeah.
Corn
That makes sense.
with salsa flavor and cheese, and it says cheese, queso and chile picante, cheese and Chili,
a little
I'm pretty sure.
chili.
And what?
A little chili.
No, picante means hot spicy.
And hot and spicy chili.
So you're gonna eat all the hot and spicy ones to yourself?
So it's con piquette.
With
With
pepper, probably.
con means with?
Yep.
So like a con man is a with man?
No.
He makes sure with it comes true? I don't know what I'm talking about.
It's pretty good. I like the Salvadoran snacks.
Do you love it?
I love it. I love your likes.
And your comments are commendable.
Subscribe or die by machete.
And transmission. Quickly.
Click on the tongue to subscribe. You'd really make our day